Question 4. Simplify these surds. So the first question we have is root 8. And notice it does not say use a calculator or do not use a calculator. So because it doesn't say anything, we can use a calculator. And inputting root 8 into the calculator gives us 2 root 2. So I'm going to show you why that is, but for the rest of the questions you can literally just input into your calculator. So let's focus on the square root of 8. So 8 is not a prime number, which means there is a simpler way to write this. So we can factorize 8. So the factors of 8 are 1 times 8, 2 times 4. So we want to go with a factor pair that contains a square number. So we're going to rewrite the square root of 8 as root 4 root 2, because 4 times 2 is 8. And I've chosen 4 because it's a square number, and I'm putting that first. So the square number will always go first. And the square root of 4 is 2. So this gives us 2 root 2. So the square root of 4 is 2. And the square root of 2 cannot be simplified, so it stays as it is. So the square root of 8, if you input that into your calculator, you get 2 root 2. So the square root of 45 is 3 root 5. Root 300, 10 root 3. Root 12, 2 root 3. Root 32, 4 root 2. Root 500, 10 root 5. Root 27, 3 root 3. Root 54, 3 root 6. Root 75, 5 root 3. And root 98, 7 root 2.